Hey Tracy, wanted to make a quick video about Newsela and show you some of the features. You do in fact have a pro account. The Newsela changed their platform and it no longer says pro underneath your name. If it doesn't say anything, you actually do have the pro account. If it were only a free subscription, it now says free underneath your name. So you get it. Remember that the entry point is from Canvas. They have a really great search engine. I know that you're working on gratitude right now. If you wanted to find an article, you could definitely use the search engine. Just write whatever you're looking for in that search engine. You'll notice here that lots of different things come up. They actually have a pretty large filter opportunity for you. You can filter down to grade level, you can filter down to reading skill you're looking for. And I also wanted to bring your attention to this Alaska 6th grade social studies collection that might be of interest to you. When you find an article that you're interested in, you just click into it. And like we were talking about yesterday, you have the ability to change the Lexile level of the text. You can assign that to students. They would enter in the same way that you enter in through Canvas, and if you decided to assign this to your class, it would be sitting there waiting for them. You can create a class. I would use the Canvas sync button to make those students pop onto your profile. Also, I wanted to show you that if you decided that you didn't want to assign this to students electronically, you could print these. Not only can you print these, but you can print these along with the quiz as well. And last thing I wanted to show you is the activities. If you click into the activities button, you'll notice that there is a quiz associated with all the articles, and they're standards referenced. If you wanted to assign this to a student, they would answer, and then you would be able to have a look at check understanding by their answers. Also, with each one of these activities, there is a writing prompt as well. So just wanted to show you a couple of those features. Hope the information is helpful.